Hi everyone, welcome back. And today I have a new but old video for you. I did this several years ago. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. So in the video I am using some nail foil, and what I do is I cut it in a baguette shape, and you need to cut it as long as your nail is, okay? I also used some translucent plastic sheeting, and I cut the same baguette shape out of it. I apply one layer of a no wipe top gel, cure it for 60 seconds. Now I use an air drying polish by OPI called Push and Shove, and the reason that I applied the no wipe gel top coat is because this polish needs a smooth surface to adhere to. That way it becomes metallic like. Once you apply this polish, you'll want to let it dry really well for about 5 minutes. You can put some air to it like a fan and it'll dry quicker, and you can see the metallic finish come right before your eyes. And as you can see here, it's pretty dry, but it's still a little streaky, so I want to apply another coat right on top of it. And again, same thing. Put some air to it. You can put it next to a fan, you can blow on it. It should be completely dry and ready to go in about 5 minutes. Now I'm applying a nice thick layer of the clear builder gel, and then into this uncured layer of the clear builder gel, I'm going to apply the translucent plastic sheeting. And then I will cure that for 1 minute. Here I am just showing you how I set that translucent plastic sheeting into the wet gel. And when you do it, you just want to make sure that you get it in there really nice, and so there's not a lot of bubbles or lifting. As you can see here, I'm smoothing it out because I want all that gel to be under that plastic. And here I am putting just the other little pieces, and it doesn't matter if some of it is sticking up, because after you cure it, you're going to trim that off. Now it's all cured, and I am just trimming off those little pieces that are sticking up in the air, because you want them to be more level so that when you go to encapsulate, they're not sticking out all over, because you don't want to file this. You want to get this really good so you don't have to file it. Here I am doing the encapsulation, and I want to make sure that I get everything covered really well, and then I will go ahead and cure this for 1 minute. Now this is the second layer, and I am using a very thick viscosity, slow leveling builder gel, okay? And I am focusing just on the very top part of the nail, like where that main square piece is. And I am not going to cure this. What I'm going to do is just try to get it smooth and without any bubbles, which that's probably not going to happen. There's going to be some bubbles, I'm sure. And then once I get it pretty much where I want it, I'm going to take another clear piece of plastic and lay it right over top of that translucent square. And then I will cure that for 60 seconds and then peel that off. Right here, I'm just showing you how I apply that clear piece of plastic right over top of the thick viscosity gel. I want to make sure I smooth that down and have it laying flat, because once I cure this and peel this piece of plastic off, I want a very smooth surface so that when the light reflects off of it, all you see is just how nice and flat it is. Time to peel off that plastic sheet, and we'll see how nice and flat that is and how The light reflects it. It's just beautiful. It reminds me of a baguette shaped diamond ring. I absolutely love it. I hope you'll give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up. And hey, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.